Hello, Inner Circle Kit Club members. We're excited to tell you about a new spread design that we are going to do every month for 2024. It's a little bit of a different concept, so we wanted to make sure you also have the verbal knowledge here if you're a visual learner like I am. So every month with your order, we have a special titled die cut that we make, and that automatically will be shipped in your order. So this month, this is January's 2024 titled die cut, and it's packaged like this, and there's nothing you need to do. It's predetermined, and it already comes automatically in your shipment if you've placed orders for that month. Now, if you decide there is a month that you are a member and you're not going to place any orders, just shoot us an email and we'll make sure to slip this in the mail to you, because you're always entitled to this title die cut here. And again, this is January 2024's title die cut. They are predetermined, and again, it's automatic. So new this year, I often would get questions on how do I take this and convert it to a 12 by 12 page or a 12 by 12 spread. So we've done that thinking for you. So for January, this was the 2-page supplemental kit that we have for January's free title die cut. So you can see here, this is the title die cut, and we've taken it and we've converted it into 2 pages. So the supplemental page kit doesn't include this title die cut here. That's why it's called a supplemental kit. But it does include everything else. So it includes all of the papers, all of the other die cuts, everything else you need to complete this 2-page spread. Now, say you order this page kit in January when it's released, and we always put in the description exactly when it was released for the Inner Circle Kit Club members. We do that for all of them. For Disney, for the Disney title, we always put in the description the month it was released. So as long as we have it in stock, we keep it in that exclusive folder until it is sold out. So again, this was the January supplemental page. So if you ordered the supplemental page, remember you automatically receive the free title die cut in January. So those two together make that complete spread. And what we'll do is we're going to tape them together. So you'll notice your supplemental page will come with your free title die cut taped to it in case it's years from now when you get to be putting this together. That way they're together for you and ready when you go to put together that entire spread. So a little different that this would be taped instead of just laying in the box kind of as normal. Now we have allowed members to purchase more than one of these supplements. Know that your order includes 1 free title die cut. So if you ordered 2 of these supplemental designs, but not an extra title die cut, you only receive 1 for free. So if you need 2 of these kits, be sure that you order an extra title die cut. That way each of those spreads will have this. That way you can make it complete just as shown here. Now again, if you're only ordering 1 of these, you're all set, as this will automatically come in the order. No need to order an extra one unless you just want to have an extra one for your stash. All right, so what happens come February, you forgot to place an order for January, you forgot to tell us about the free title die cut, or maybe you just joined in February and you weren't a member at all the previous months, but you still want that supplemental page kit. Now, if you order January's supplemental page kit, say in March, you're going to get March's free title die cut, because we have a set one for the month. That's the one that automatically gets shipped. So if you are ordering a previous month's supplemental page kit, just don't forget to add the die cut that goes with that spread. We do put a link in the description that says that if you want to order a die cut to make that complete, we do have that in the description. So it's really important to make sure you're reading the descriptions each month. And don't forget, we're always here. Feel free to reach out if something doesn't make sense, or if you have questions. It's never a bother. That's what we're here for. Thanks so much. Thanks for being a member. We appreciate you. Happy scrapping.